How to get a free domain name for your website. So I'm going to show you how you can get a free domain name. So let's get right into it. What that you have to do is simply go to Google, and then from the Google search bar, come and type in Jimdo and hit enter. When it comes, simply come and then select the official site of Jimdo, and then it's going to bring you right here to their website. All that you have to do is simply come here to where we have start now, it's free, and come and click on it. The next thing I have to do is simply come and then create an account. Okay, creating an account is totally free. What you have to do is simply come here to where we have sign up for free. You can come and then select any of these to sign up. So I'm going to select the first one, which says that sign up with Google. Then I click on it. So after that, all that you have to do is simply come and then read their terms of service. Okay, so when you come here to the first one, come and then check the box to receive important tips from them, and then come and then check the second box to agree to their terms and then policies, and then come and click on continue. The next thing is to come and then choose your Gmail account, and then come and click on continue. And then you have to come and then select continue without coding, and then come and click on start now. The next thing is to come and then select for a single individual, and then come down here to where we have the continue, and then come and then click on the continue. Okay, so the next thing is that you have to come and then select for a personal project or event. Okay, and then come down here and then come and click on the continue. Okay, so after that, you have to come and then put in the name of your website. That is going to be your domain name as well. Come and put it right here as mine. Okay, and then come down here to where you have the continue and come and click on it. So over here, I'm simply going to skip it by coming here to where it says skip this step. Then I click on it, and then I'm going to skip this step as well by clicking on skip this step. The next thing is that you have to come and then choose your website. Okay, so you can simply come and then type in what your website is for. So mine is for web designer. After that, simply come and then look through the website and then see if yours is included. Okay, so if yours is not included, simply come here to where it says no matches. Okay, stick with web designer and check that one. After that, come down here to where you have the continue, and then come and click on continue. Okay, so I'm going to skip this one too. And then over here, you have to come and then select your color palette. That's how your website is going to look like. So I'm simply going to select this one by checking this one, and then come down here to where you have the continue and come and click on it. Okay, so the next thing is that you have to come and then choose some of the pages that you are going to need. I'm going to go with this one that is already checked already, and simply come down here and come and click on the continue. So after that, you have to come and then pick the website that you want. So you can pick any of these, the first one or the second one. So I'm simply going to select the first one by checking it, and come here to where we have the continue and come and click on the continue. So over here, this is the domain name. Okay, so we have two ways that you can get your domain name. Okay, so I'm going to explain it very well. The first one is to go with the premium plan. Okay, so when you choose any of their premium plans, so from here it says that when you pay for any of their premium plan, you are going to get a free domain for the first term. Okay, so that is the first way that you can get a free domain. So you have to come and then select any of these. Okay, so by simply coming here to where it says get it now, and then you can simply come and then select any of their premium plan. Okay, so let's say you want for a website, make sure that a website is selected, and then you come here and then you select the start one, which is this amount. It is included in it a domain. Okay, so you are going to get a free domain when you select a premium plan. The other way that you can get a free domain is to go with the free plan as well. Okay, so as you can see, we have a free plan. That one too, you can get a free domain, but it is not a custom one. So you have to come and then click it and say that continue without a custom domain. So with this one too, you are going to get a free domain name, so just like this one, but not a custom domain. Okay, so if you're okay with this, all that you have to do is that you have to simply publish your website on it. Okay, so to do that, simply come here to where you have the publish and come and click on the publish, and that is it. So as you can see, the website is now live on this free domain. Okay, so what that you have to do now is to simply come here and click on the copy link, and then you can share your website for totally free. So this is how to get a free domain name. Like the video and then see you in my next video.